everyone, it's time for math. Do you know where I am? I'm in my bathtub. Mrs. Frank, what are you doing in the bathtub? Well, me being in the bathtub is going to help you understand what you're going to do for math today. Remember how when you pour water in your bathtub, then you shut it off and it's all ready, and then you get in and some of the water moves up because your body went in and pushed the water up? Well, that's kind of like what we're going to do today. We're going to talk about the word displace, and it's going to help us measure liquid volume of some objects. Now I'm going to come out of the tub. For this activity that you're going to do today, you're going to need a bigger container, like a dish pan like this. Some of you might have something like that, or a different container might work for you. I have a big bowl too, but that one, you're going to have a big one. And then you're going to have 4 containers. I'm just going to use one right now, but you want 4 containers. And what you're going to do is, 4 objects, not 4 containers. What you're going to do is, you're going to figure out what the volume is of an object. So I have here a little garden stone. It's an owl. And how you do this is you measure how much water will be displaced by the object. So what I do is I fill my bowl full of water up to the edge and I put it in my tub. Then I take my object, one of 4 objects, and I put it in the bowl inside the tub and I push it down till it's all the way to the bottom, and then the water will spill out the sides. And the spilled out water will end up in your tub, your dish pan, and what you do is pour that water into a measuring cup and you measure how much water that's has been displaced, and that is the liquid, that is the volume of your object. Now, your activity card tells you to use liters, milliliters. In my mind, you probably do not have something that you can pour your displaced water into that is milliliters or liters. So I'm okay if you use just a measuring cup for this. I asked Alexa and she said 1 cup is the same as 237 milliliters. Not that you need to know that. You can just measure it in cups. That's okay with me. So I gave you a paper to graph it out on, or write it out on. That should be in your kit that you got from school. It's got page 229 down at the bottom. And go through and take a look at the activity card and do the jobs that it says. And if you have any questions, just let me know with an email or on your Seesaw. I want you to send me a picture of your little page 229 worksheet for sure. Let me know how you did with this activity. All right? Okay. Now, I am not going to go back in my bathtub because it's not time for that, but we'll talk to you later. Bye.